First official sunken ship treasure hunt. Magnet fishing. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just going for it. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Up with all your heart. Missing someone.
Just stepped in poison ivy, but it's okay.
Caught on the edge of the back.
Alright. So alright. Woo! Watch that poison ivy. This guy is not serious. We're professional, as you can see.
I thought it would just ride in.
Professional idiots, that is.
Even here in the park, right?
Alright.
Light vest, check.
Paddles, check. It smells like shit down here. Ew.
It smells like dead fish down here because these people just... There's some dangers to this mission, actually. Look at this. Poison ivy. Someone's living under there, I think. Nasty smelling fish everywhere.
Alright. We got all of our teams.
Yeah, making it happen. Oh, the current though, baby. He's so fast.
That's not...
You just get on.
Yeah, maybe. It looks like it's about to tip. Alright.
Whoa. Get on the front.
Nah, I think I'm good right here.
You're good there?
Let me just stabilize it.
Alright. I just need to get on though when it starts flowing. You get what I'm saying?
Should I move up?
Yeah. Alright, got to set sail. Find some buried treasure. Cause we're gonna like just go.
Yeah.
Not bad either. Whoa.
I'm laughing at this.
Because this is really...
I'm just thinking it goes 5 miles, 4 miles an hour. How the hell are we going to get back?
With the paddles.
I just seem like it's leaning. You're not that much heavier than me, are you? Yeah, you are.
Pretty heavy compared.
Alright, guys and gals.
Okay, we can get this going steady like this. If you can handle steering it, I can do the whole intro and sit right here. Okay, what's up everyone? Today we are treasure hunting the back bays of Atlantic City. We're on a boat, as you can see, and we have a magnet fishing set, a big magnet with a string on it that pulls metal out of the water. And today we are going to see what we can find here in Venice Park. So we teamed up with a company called Wukong Magnets a few months back. They sent us some magnets. I actually left them in Florida, and they sent a new one. Ooh, we don't want that to fall out. So I'm gonna just pull this out, shut this thing again.
No, let me see that, because I can put my bag in it and it'll weigh it down.
We don't want to lose this though.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my bag on top of it.
Alright. Caution. Caution, strong magnet. Hopefully so strong it can pull up like a car out of here. So this is the set. This is the beginner set that we got. Well, actually, this might be the next set up.
Oh, nice. They give us gloves too. What's that?
We got a thread locker so that it doesn't untwist. So this is it right here. Wukong fishing magnets. Second generation fishing magnet. So this is the second generation of the one we have. It comes with a pair of gloves, a nice long rope.
Nice.
This scraper to scrape it off because it picks up like little pieces of metal that you don't really want.
Because then the magnet isn't as strong if there's like guck on it.
So along with a treasure hunt today, we're kind of doing like a review because we've never used this one before.
That one's huge.
So I should have opened this probably in the car, but I wanted to show you guys out on the open water. But it's a little more difficult than it seems to be doing what we're doing right now.
That's for sure.
Here it is. So this is the Wukong second generation fishing magnet. It's the M10 304. So if you look on their website, you'll be able to find the same exact one on Amazon as well. I don't know if I need. Should I wear the gloves?
Just keep them. We'll just keep them right here. Obviously, they're not going anywhere. Yeah.
So it comes like this. The rope, it's looped just in one time like that, and then it has a carabiner. This is like a mini carabiner.
Wait, did the last one have that?
This is pretty nice actually, guys.
It's very convenient.
This is the legit setup, so you just take this and unscrew it so that you can pop it in.
And then tighten it back up.
Tighten it back up and then it won't open underwater.
Did the other one have that?
Yeah, man, you're ready to fish? I don't remember.
I don't think it did. I think you had to like hand tie it. So that's really cool. I would definitely rather have this one.
It's stronger, the magnet, too.
I can't remember either.
I don't.
I think it's tight enough, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we've done magnet fishing videos before off of the land, but never on a boat. So we think that it'll give us greater access to what could possibly be on the bottom of the bay floor. So we're right here by the windmills in Atlantic City. And that's the Borgata Casino, the gold building over there. And it's a beautiful day out. There was a lot of wind coming up from on land, but now that we're down in like the valley of the river here, there's not much wind at all. It's actually pretty crispy. But there's like bridge there, bridge here, bridge there. All these bridges that we can try to fish under with the magnet. Go to that bridge, right? Or you could go over here to where those barges and stuff are.
Alright.
Because you can't really get to that unless you're on this boat. Oh shit, we're on something gnarly.
Is it on something? stuck on something, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whatever it was, right? Yeah. Oh, you got something. Cool.
That was not bad.
First find.
I might have to do like a voiceover if the audio is bad.
That magnet's heavier than the boat.
When it gets on to something, they could flip the boat just from pulling on it.
Yeah, if it's heavy, if it's strong enough.
Okay, so we're just shooting our way up this little lagoon right here. There's
Cool boathouse.
really cool little houses along here. It's almost like reminds me of like a bayou type situation. There's like wooden ladders going down into the water. Anywhere around here you could probably find stuff, because I could see right here there's a dock where people definitely hang out on, drop stuff in the water. Who knows what they dropped. But we found so far this, our only find of the day so far. Guy or girl, I don't know who owns the house. Their dock just fell down into the water.
Definitely gotta get out of here.
The most difficult thing to coordinate with the wind and the minimal power of this motor, plus how small the boat is. So we've done very little amount of magnet fishing on this journey so far. There's a broken down, abandoned boat over here. The problem is we can't be even doing anything, because every time we turn the motor on, we can't have the magnet there because it'll get wrapped up in it. And every time we turn it off, we're about to hit someone's boat, which would just be horrible. So the fiberglass on this boat went through my pants into my ass.
That's why I brought a blanket.
Is it on?
Yeah, should I turn it on?
Just turn it off. We got a clear window here to try and... We can't be having... Oh, man.
With your hands.
So this was the original idea. Go upstream, take the current and troll downstream. So we're covering a lot of ground right now. And I feel the magnet probably along the bottom of the bay.
The ocean.
And I'll feel if it hits on something. If it hits on something small, it'll just get
If
captured.
it hits on something big and gets stuck, it just kind of stops the boat. As long as turning is holding the magnet.
Unless the magnet's just heavy. I don't know. I guess it could be. Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. Alright. Got a little something.
We've made it to land. We've made it to dry land after years out on the water.
Sorry, I gotta come in hot.
That's all good. Just come in super hot. Come in as hot as you can. Straight. And I'll get us up on this land right here. Okay, we made it to this little dock that used to be, I'm guessing some kind of building was here at one point in time. Now it's just a huge lot. And we're gonna explore a little bit. And you can't get to here without having like a boat, so this is pretty cool. So there definitely was a building here, because there's like bricks. It says Porter. I'm not really sure what it was. Maybe a utility boat, a utility building. So, see, it's just an overgrown lot here. I have no idea what it is, really. This is an extremely windy day, so I have no idea of the quality of the audio that we've been getting, but I'm in like a bit of a secure place right now, so I think it should be good. So we came across like a kind of like an island marsh type thing, and it's really cool. There's like docks that people have put makeshift wood on to make a fishing pier, like a little fishing dock. There's a sunken boat here that someone just discarded, or it floated here and got stuck in the rafters. But obviously there used to be a building here. There's all kinds of bricks. They say Porter. That's the marking on them. A burnt piece of wood right here next to me that someone was having like a little fire here, I'm assuming, at one point. So this is pretty cool. This is the coolest thing we came across all day. Definitely interesting. So I'm gonna just walk up the beach and see if I see anything cool, but there's all sorts of bricks all over here, tile and other pieces of building materials. Big ass hose, like a fireman hose. That's what that looks like. Lots of litter, which isn't very cool, but it could have blown here, I guess, because I don't think any people come and hang out here. What is this? So this is like a piece to a bathroom where it would hold the towel rack up. That's what that looks like to me. So that's pretty cool. Like a towel rack column. Lots of bricks. All kinds of bricks here. We could get our boat before we leave next to that boat and then get a picture.
Right, should have worn them.
It might be too deep, that was.
Is it sketchy?
God, it's sinking. Oh,
You lost your shoe.
I lost my babies.
Good thing they float.
Dude, no shoe then.
No.
Yeah, they float, but the other one's 6 feet down. It's deep. Oh no.
Oh no. Ew.
Are you seeing this?
Might as well just magnet fish with your toes.
Might as well just get rid of this with these shoes. Ooh! It feels like I'm just stepping in a big thing of mayo.
That's not cool. Yup.
Deep water.
You have your... Oh man, he's got his phone on him.
Alright, so here's the boat that sunk. I really don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I'm 2 feet. In water, 3 feet. In mud, 2 feet. You guys probably can't see how deep I am. But the water only goes very shallow. And my feet are like 6 feet. Oh my gosh. Who are you waving to? Me? Oh yeah, Sammy J's filming me from the coastline. You got to get this as I come out. My feet are so gross looking.
Oh my god.
The creature from the Black Lagoon, look at this.
That is how you're walking. Oh no.
Nothing. They got rinsed off as I came out. Alright, we're going to bail on that mission.
This guy. Always making me nervous.
I have something.
Alright, so he said he has something. He could feel it. That creepy water bottle that's just there. Oh, you did get something. What is it?
Freaking bottle cap.
A bottle cap. At least it's something. Get your seaweed. That's all they call it so far. Besides the bottle cap. Changing spots, changing spots. This one's a little sketchier.
This one is so gnarly.
So someone's back here. You can see that car at the trunk. This is a very sketchy spot to just be chilling. Actually making me concerned. Because like there's these creepy trash bags. What's in there?
This is terrible. Ah, that's why. Alright, so we just came out here. We found like a little needle nose plier thing and a bottle cap, this bolt. So nothing substantial, but I'm like 2 feet in mud right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we had an adventure, but we are out of here.
Alright, so he's gonna pull this boat. It's the easiest way because it's on a creepy angle. Alright. It's working. There you go. Perfect. Literally worked out perfect. Gold. A little Tarzan. Who does this?
We never do this.
Us. Us, obviously. Can you guys see this ladybug? No? She's got no dots yet.
Okay, we are cruising around. Well, we had to drop something off in Sammy's old neighborhood where she used to live when she was a kid, when she was a little chicken nugget. And we passed by the cottage that her and her dad used to live at. And wow, just wow, wait until you guys see this. First off, how cool it is, but second off, the gold that's just sitting outside in the trash.
Good times in this house, right?
Got any cats in there?
Used to.
So Sammy used to live here in this house, and it's really cool, I think. Very cool little house. But right outside sits an Emerson DVD VCR combo TV 1 and a Toshiba VCR DVD combo TV 2. These things are selling for, I don't want to say big bucks, but if they are in working condition, I think each one of these could fetch easily, without even getting crazy, 100 each. I'm saying. So it's going down. You can talk about your house if you want.
Not much to talk about. But no, this was a house that, so there's this, I call it a cottage, with the house right there, if you can see it. My dad used to work for this place called MC Signs, and that was his boss's house. And then the cottage he owned too, and he would just rent it out to my dad. I don't know. But yeah.
You got anything in here? Honestly, that thing's dirty, but that's kind of nice too.
If somebody wanted to like repaint it, right? And now we're just digging trash in the house that I grew up in.
Yeah, well, we just got $200 if they work at least.
That's true. I'm sure they do work.
Not 400. Some people are selling these for like $350 on eBay. I don't know if they sold, but
I remember when all of these were being built. So crazy. So this is 4th and Ocean in Ocean City, if you guys didn't know. I used to go up on the roof, just sit there. I don't know about now, but I think back then, when I was little, I think Ocean City was like a really cool place to grow up in. Like fairly safe, because it used to be like dead. Now there's a little bit more people that live here because like it became like cool to live here, I guess. But good times. See you, cottage. See you later.
You should buy it.
Nah, he might rip me off, right?
Man, the dream. I just got 2 other ones. Might as well get the 3rd.
Absolutely, complete the set.
Complete
Yeah.
set.
So I didn't get the camera quick enough. But we just came across another TV. Oh,
He's claiming it.
what do you say?
It does work.
Yeah, I plugged it in and tested it before I brought it down.
You're the man. Thank you.
Didn't need to get the camera quick enough. So that's just crazy. We have 3 of these things. So it must be like throw out your old TVs with VCRs in them.
These people are just throwing money away. What's up, man?
Oh my god. This guy. Florida license plate, and he's like, yo, I've been seeing your videos on YouTube. So funny. I'm just not getting out of the car though because we're kind of like parked in a weird spot.
He said, I've been seeing your videos on YouTube and shit. That's what he said.
But he's from Florida, that's wild. Unless he just has
Stopped and
Florida
said that and
plates.
then didn't even stop. Like he just, the doubler.
The doubler.
So we just picked up 3 TVs. They have combo, VCR, DVD player built into the TVs. 3 different ones. And I just plugged in an extension cord because I'm going to test all 3 of them out with a VHS tape and a DVD and see if both of them work on each one. Otherwise, I'm not even going to bother taking them out of the car at all because I can just take them to Goodwill and they accept electronics like that. So I'm going to grab a movie that I know works and then a DVD that I know works, and we're going to do some testing. So these are 2 good movies that we're going to test with, and let's do it. I'll let you guys know which ones, if any of them, work. Okay, it got dark out real quick, but here we go. TV number 1. Turns on. Open the DVD player now. There we go. DVD's working. So, not good news. The DVD player works on this one, but the VHS player does not. So, 1 out of 3, no go. Alright, this one turns on. This one has a remote as well. Well, I don't know. Seems kind of dirty. VCR works. And gonna go to the DVD player and see if that works. Alright, so we decided to add this to the magnet fishing video. We're gonna try magnet fishing this sunken sailboat and see what we can find. Why didn't I bring a head mount though? So I'll sleek down here and then I'll just throw the magnet in the boat and see if I can pull anything out that might have been lost. Good idea?
Good idea.
Or I could just go in there and swim around and get a dive for stuff.
No.
Why?
I feel like that's dangerous. What if there's something sharp down there? There's a hole right here.
Alright, should we go back and get the mount?
Yeah, what, the GoPro?
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scarier than it looks. Looked the first time.
Scary? Wait, you're actually gonna go down there?
Yeah, I have to.
Oh god.
First official sunken ship treasure hunt. Magnet fishing. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just going for it. These will dry.
These will dry. I could just wash them.
Yeah.
No biggie. Let me see. It's a little sketchy, this ground. But... Be careful. If these people ask you what you're doing, what are you going to tell them?
I'm gonna tell them that I'm treasure hunting. I mean, I'm on something.
Yeah, the boat.
Once I open up this, oh, I open up this, then we're looking at gold now, boys. All right, we're going in. He knew this was a gold idea. I don't know, but they, not yet. I was just hoping for like some buried treasure. You weren't?
Probably not old enough for that though.
I mean, I was thinking like somebody stashed like a $50 bill in here.
I think I hear somebody coming out of their house.
To see if there was like anything left behind in here.
Nah, there's nothing in there.
It's totally empty, right?
Yeah.
No treasure then?
Whose boat was it?
Mine.
Oh, it was yours.
Remember that big old paddle wheel boat that used to be here?
Yeah.
Crashed into it, Sunken.
Oh, really? I remember that pretty well.
Yep.
They were giving it away. They were trying to get people to take it.
It was rotted out.
All right, well, I'm sorry, man. I'm going to get out of here.
Okay, just don't slip and get hurt.
No, yeah, I didn't mean to, I didn't really even know it was anyone's, to be honest.
Can't find anybody to get it out of there.
No, I'm
Expensive to get it out there.
it's got a lot of mud in it, so probably really heavy.
Oh yeah, it's like 7,000 pounds.
Yeah. My apologies, though. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
We're out. We're gonna leave. But have a good day.
Okay.
Okay, that is it for our first ever magnet fishing boating video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, a like. Hit that like button for us, please. And I was informed by someone that the notification button that's next to the subscribe button does work for most people. A few people told me it does work. So if you enjoy our videos, please hit the notification bell and it will notify you with an email or a notification every time we upload a new video, and then you can stay updated with everything we got going on. Turns out we went to try to magnet fish in a sunken boat, and the owner of the boat, which I had no idea, it's been sunken for years, came out and said that his boat was stored. So he had his boat docked there, and there was a giant, what are those things called? Casino boat or a river boat with a huge wheel on the back. It was the Belle Anne. Drifted into his sailboat, hit it, put a hole in it, and then his sailboat sunk. And he's never been able to recover it or do anything with it. It's just still sitting there. So pretty crazy story, but see you guys in the next video. Peace.